Welcome back to the Scholarship Club. We meet in Rancho Cucamonga, and if you're listening to this recording, you probably didn't get a chance to make our last meeting. But that's okay. We've made some provisions so that you don't have to miss out. Today we're going to talk about how to win essay contests. Essay contests are a lot like writing essays for your classes. You want to pay attention to what's being asked of you. You want to stay within the word limit, and you want to be entertaining. Beyond that, I'm going to give you some tips that are going to help you write those outstanding essays to win essay contests. First thing we need to understand about writing essays are, what are they anyway? What is an essay? The word essay literally means to examine. It's basically a short literary composition that typically deals with just one subject. An essay usually interprets or analyzes the subject from the point of view of the writer, in this case, from your point of view. A lot like writing essays for class. Beyond writing it from your point of view and following the word limits, there really is no right way to write an essay. You can write it the way that you would write it. Some important things to remember, though, are to stay focused on the topic of the essay and to make sure that you don't offend the judges. For example, if you are writing an essay about the right to bear arms, then you don't want to talk about how terrible it is that people can carry guns and that we don't have very good gun control. You want to make sure that you're staying on the topic and that it's a topic that you believe in when you're writing the essay. Back with more information about winning essay contests. What are the key elements of a winning essay? Well, first of all, you should begin with an overview idea that the reader can easily recognize. Remember that solid research is the key to writing a winning essay. The body of the paper should be well written, and it should be based on your own ideas and experiences. Any good beginning captures what the reader and makes them want to read more. Your body should be well written based on your experiences and ideas. Innovative ideas, creativity, and a persuasive style can really pay off. Think of it this way: a few hundred well-written words can yield you thousands of dollars. There aren't a lot of opportunities to earn this type of income. Lastly, the information should be 100% correct. The essay is not the place to guess at the facts of about your topic. Another key part of winning essay contests is to make sure that you understand all of the rules. You want to follow those rules to the letter because the first thing the judges check is whether or not you follow the rules. Make sure you know exactly where to send your entry. It doesn't matter how good your essay is, if you don't follow the rules or send it to the right place, your essay will get eliminated. Lastly, make sure you have all the information before you send your entry. If you're unsure of a specific requirement, check for a contact number or other way to get clarification. If you have any doubts, you can consider holding off until you have all the information you need. And remember, we're here for you at the Scholarship Club. You can always call us at 1-800-544-7247, and we'd be happy to help you go over the requirements and get the information you need. You'll want to pay close attention to the topic and word limits. Judges will count the words. We read a lot of essays here at the Scholarship Club, and one of the questions that we get most frequently is, will the judges really count the words? The answer is yes. If the word limit is 250, make sure you stay at 250. The judges will look at how you answer the question as well as the word limit. And just remember, it's okay to go a little overboard. Your essay should be written from a believer's perspective, and you only have a few words to convey your sincerity, so they must be powerful and focused. An example would be, I've been using Clean It laundry detergent since I was a child, and no other soap in America can beat it for powerful cleaning and ultra-fresh scent. It makes laundry day a sheer pleasure and joy. Okay, so maybe I was a little overboard, but something like that. You have a word limit, so use a lot of adjectives and make sure that they're strong. You want to make sure that you are able to express a sense of joy about winning the prize with very persuasive wording. Consider this. If you have only 200 words or less to convince a judge that you deserve to win, every word must carry a lot of weight. This means you'll do well to use strong adjectives and descriptions. The last tip I'll share with you today involves entering the contest more than once. Did you realize that there's usually no limit to the number of entries you can make in an essay contest? Choose your angle on the subject and enter more than one essay. Most people stop at just one, and that really reduces your chances of winning. If a contest asks for one element, think of 10. Brainstorm usable ideas and angles before settling on just 3 or 4 actual entries, and then enter 3 or 4 times. It's okay. Well, I've hoped this essay